Hello traders, how was the day today? After coming out of the weekend, we got a very nice move to the upside. As usual, if you're liking the content of these videos, please like, share, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel and click on the notification icon. So let us take a look at what ES Mini did today and how we traded it. And after I complete this video, I will get back to the bar by bar template. So let us take a look at what happened. This was the Globex high at 5878.25. And as I said yesterday, the price needs to hold above the 66 level. So we were holding above the 66 level at this point of time. And then as I saw the price come and bounce off of the 73 line, as we were crossing over the Globex high, I took a chance and I went long right here. Let us now get back to the RTA chart and get the bar counters on the chart. Now, bar 1 was a really strong bar, and bar 2, although it was not a good follow through, it was still a bull bar. So once we went above the bar 2 high, I got one more contract, and then I was counting the number of points from here. We started at 73. So I took my first profit off at the 93 area because that was the 20 point from the low of the day on the RTA chart, and the bulls will take some profit here. And finally, my second contract, I came out once we touched the 5900 line to the upside. So that was the first trade that we had. After that, if you see here, we had a two-legged pullback. This was the first entry long. This was the second entry long. We did enter again at 5899.75. And I was thinking at that point of time that the price may actually get back to the 5912, which is one of the targets that I had, 5912 and then the 5920 line. So those were the two targets that we had, but we did not get it. And then as soon as we got above the high of the day, we closed above the high of the day, we did not get a follow through bar, and we came out right below this double top. So that was a very tiny scalp that we had. I was not interested in shorting. I was just waiting for getting the next entry signal. If you see here, this was the first leg down. We pulled back. This was the second leg down. And this was the second reversal attempt right at the EMA. We went long here above bar number 20, and we got a 1:1 of the bar number 20. Now, since it was the first entry long, I was not confident that it will move up. That is why we took profit at 1:1 of bar number 20. And again, we had a two-legged pullback. This was the first leg. We went back up. This was the second leg. And when bar number 28 happened, I bought again above this, and I was looking at the price to go 10 points from the low of this particular bar, which is bar number 25, and that would take us to the 5901 area. And as per the plan, we took one contract off at the 5901 area. We were holding on to the other one, and I was looking at if we are able to get 10 points from this 5888.75 line. However, we did not get that, and as soon as we saw bar number 44, we were out of that particular trade. Right after that, if you see, this was the first leg down, this was the second leg down. We created a strong ledge here around the 5903 area, and we had the third leg down. And once we had this third leg down, what we created was a nice wedge in this particular area. I bought again above 5902. I entered with two contracts again. My stop loss was very close at the 5901.25 area, and I was trying to see if the strong bar could actually get me those 10 points to the upside and get me to the 5912. And this time it actually did. And as soon as we got the 5912, I came out of all my contracts again. Now again, if you see here, this was the first leg down. We went back up. This was the second leg down. Now the second leg down, the second entry short was a really weak bar at bar number 69. So there was no point in trying to do anything there. But then we saw three more bars to the upside, and then we had bar number 73. I bought again above bar number 73 at 5911. I was trying to see whether we could get to the 15.5 line, 15.5, or we could get to the 5920 area. But then looking at these long wicks towards the end of the day, I actually took profit at 3 points and came out of all the contracts. So those were all the trades that we did today. So just to go through the trades again, we bought somewhere here near the Globex high. We bought again above bar number 2. Our first exit was at the 93 area, and the second exit was at the 5900 area. So that was the first trade that happened. We bought again above bar number 11. 11, but then as soon as we saw that this breakout did not get a follow through, we came out of all our longs below bar number 14. Then we had the two-legged pullback. We got one long here above bar number 20, and we got 1:1 of the bar number 20. We went long again above bar number 28. We took some profit at the 5901 area, but as soon as we saw bar number 44, again we came out of all our contracts below bar number 44. After that, we went long above bar number 55, and this time we could get to the 1-2 area, and we came out of all our contracts. We went long above bar number 72 again, and then we had a 3-point scalp, and we came out of all our trades. So those are all the trades that we had. I will be back in the evening with the expectations for tomorrow and what are the support and resistance areas that we have for tomorrow that we will be looking at. And I will also be updating the bar by bar chart. This is where I will end this video today, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Have a great rest of the afternoon, guys. Bye.